Oh, watch me horse racing now. Hey, win some money. Alright.
Can we have some peanuts and coffee cane?
Where you going to one? One on. Don't make me watch the racing. You go see what this one put the Tommy bit right. But wait, she go put it pan Zola. Me tell her if you put it pan Birmingham manager, Harry's pride. She go put it pan Zola. Come on, Zola. Come on, Zola. Come on, Zola. Come on, Zola. Come on. It finished last. Damn blasted woman. Dress it.
Come in, Mickey!
Let me not tell you if you put on me bet pan the Birmingham manager. You go put it pan Zola. The damn thing finished last.
Mickey, I'm getting me steps in what
You
you
don't care about the steps. What happened to me ass? Me lose me £3.
You haven't. You told me to put it on the Birmingham manager.
Exactly.
And we all know the Birmingham manager Zola and he joined Birmingham City back before Christmas. Oh yeah. And then after 25 matches, he only won 2. That's why you love him.
That's why we never want to put it pan him. That's why it finished last. Came was damn walkless. I went round with you.
Because
If I know you are the picnic, me sick of everybody in this house. Come out of me way. You get on me damn nerves.
I'm sick of the way you speak to me, Mickey.
Get on me nerves.
It's trying my best for you.
Come out of me
That's
way.
it! I'm calling Gangster Granny.
Call who you want. Me not afraid of nobody.
I walk on here.
Me sorry.
I walk on here.
Sorry.
Me here say you're
Me
short
sorry.
for the
Me
picture.
sorry. Me
Why
sorry.
you're short for
Me sorry.
Tracy?
Me sorry.
Did I tell you that short
Me sorry.
person?
Me sorry.
Why you're short
Me sorry.
for
Me
You
sorry.
think you're too big to go over me?
No, me sorry. Me sorry, family.
You want Numa? Funk his nose out. Go on. Break his nose, Numa. Break his nose.
Stop short for them.
Stop
short for them. Are you giving them one peanut? One peanut. Here is peanut. Here is peanut. We're off to Gilbert now.
You
Off
can't
to
go
Gilbert.
because you've got Tootsie tracksuit on.
Oh.
Rock of ages, firm and tight. Make sure you reach the reggae night.
Times are bad now and then. Then one trip on the Harper's turn.
Rock of ages, firm and tight. Make sure you reach the night. 20 from me, Ina Gilbert, DJ Mickey, and the one Tracy, Reggae night, JETASET Sound. Them what? £3 after 10:30. Them teeth like Tesco. It a go hot like Appleton's drum.